King Bolen sent me their BM550 to check out, so I'll walk you through how it works and what the results tell you. The BM550 doesn't use its own power supply. When you're connecting it, always go red clamp first, then black. This tester works with 6V, 12V, and 24V batteries. All you do is scroll with the arrows, pick your battery type and hit OK. Next, you'll need to enter cold cranking amps or CCA. This size usually runs between 370 and 450 CCA. I just split the difference and entered 400 as my reference. Here's what the BM550 told me. Measured CCA, 245. State of health, 38%. State of charge, 98%. Internal resistance, 10.5 milliohms. Voltage, 12.59 volts. So overall, the battery looks charged if you only checked voltage, but its cranking power is way down. With that high resistance, it's just not moving current like it should. It might be fine for now, but a cold morning or a heavy load could push it over the edge. And since this one is almost 3 years old, the signs are pretty clear. It's near the end of its life.